Hello and welcome to this tutorial. By the end of this video, you will know how to publish and upgrade listings through MyCRM using the credit system. Once you log in and go to Property section, you will see your credit balance displayed on the top right corner. Don't forget to hit refresh every time you would like to see the last updated credit. To publish a new property, simply click on the red plus sign, fill out all the required information, and then click on Publish. You will be presented by a message that will show you how many credits are needed to publish this property. If you're not ready to publish it yet and you can decide, you can simply save it as a draft and publish it later. Once your property is published, you can upgrade it to featured and premium if you wish to get better visibility on our site. So you need to go to the property status and then click on upgrade. You will be presented by a new message that will show you two listings type: featured listings either for 15 days or 1 month, premium listing for either for 15 days or 1 month. And to ensure that your properties are always online, we have selected auto renew by default that you can update anytime. Also in the same section, you will be able to see the listing expiry date and the listings quality score. For admins who need to approve listings created by other agents, they just need to select the unpublished listings from Properties menu and then click on the actions and choose Approve. You'll be presented with another message that will show you the number of credits needed to publish all these listings. Now you're ready to start listing your properties. If you would like to know more information, please don't hesitate to reach out to your account manager. Happy listing!